Hi guys, this is the third part of my scripting lessons. In today's video we're learning events and loops. First, events, which are, at least in my opinion, one of the, if not the most important part about scripting. What I want you to know is this over here is an event. The part.touched::connect function hit. Take a look at this. The first thing is the object you're making the event from. So if you want a kill brick, you would mention the part in a local instance and then put it as the first thing, since I wanted to print a message. When joining the game, I deal with the game. If you need use Runputzerweise, which we're gonna learn later, then you would say use Runputzerweise as your first. Pretty simple, right? Now usually there would be number third one, but I'm contacting a service called Players, so I have to mention it, but usually second one is the event that triggers the function, which is player added for me, since I need it when a player joins the game. But if it's a kill brick, then it would be touched, since the kill brick needs to touch something to deal damage. I think you guys get this. Finally, write connect function and hit enter. Now here say whatever you want, but since the event triggers whenever a player joined a game, I'll put a print message to print something. Now if you check the output bar, the second I loaded into the game, it printed what I put in, which is a player has joined. Now here you know the empty space. Well, it's called arguments, which is when you hover over it, it should say what the argument is, which for me is player, and so I called it player. Now because the argument is player, I can print out the player's information, since the argument gives me it. Now I want to print the display name, so I search for it. Now it says my display and has joined the game. By the way, when wanting to print both a local or argument with a sentence, and for example argument is player, print player.displayName has joined the game. I think you guys got this, but just in case, here's a few more examples. I guess there's no username, so I think name is the username. Yep, it is, and as you can see, it printed my user. And if you're doing the same thing as me right now, you can also de-user it for some reason. You can pause the thing, but I wrote an event when leaving. This is a for loop. To types of loops, you write it like for letter equals 1, amount of times you want to loop something to. Now hit enter and put in anything you wanted to loop. I'll put print as an easy example. But before, I'll put a task.wait 0.1 so it doesn't do it instantly. Now you can see an output. If I remove the task, wait, it does it instantly. Next and last are while loops, which are infinity loops, as They exist as long as they are not broken, so you have to get a task. Wait, or else the game will crash. Anyway guys, bye.